Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Today we gotta talk about XCM because a lot of people, because they see price action boring and they see a lot of people actually flooding XCN, especially a lot of news articles. They say that XCN's price is struggling, which it is on the short term, but when you zoom out, it's already up 21x in the past year. The past 90 days is up like a 10x. So I know when there's more traction on a coin, it's gonna of course cause more FUD on the micro, but we have to zoom out to the macro. Now I know this kind of looks very small, which I will make this bigger. Now what you see on the bottom here, this is a volume spike, right? This bottom here, this is just the volume bar, right? As you can see, the coin was dead and so was the volume. For the majority of the time it was dead, and as soon as we had a surge up a 21x up, the volume spiked 16x. On the weekly, the volume increased by $500 million, okay, by $579 million, which is a huge volume spike. The reason why I'm bullish on XCN is because it's had this huge volume spike and it's kind of converted into its market cap bottom, which is the price we're at now, which is around a 600 million market cap, and it's held that floor for a while now and it's holding very strong. It's not volatile, and the reason why it is $507 million market cap surge is interesting to me because I feel like a lot of this is institutional investors, like behind the scenes, or just smart investors, smart money, pump the price of this coin, and it's dipped around 50%, but for the most part, it's holding a good floor. Now, you're probably thinking, we are too late. It's already up 21x, like the pump's already done, we are on the way down, which on the micro, of course, this could be possible, this could be feasible. But on the macro, when you ask yourself, is another 20x move even that significant for a coin like this that's partnered with NASDAQ, that's going to be very big on the payment solutions, that's got ties with a lot of good institutions and companies? No, like a 20x, you have to bear in mind that the market cap is still below $1 billion. So it's at that comfortable range where it's not too low a market cap to be risky and it's not too high to be no potential in X's. Like, this coin is just getting started, and a 20x move will push the price of XCN to 55 cents, which will actually give it a market cap of 17 billion. Now you're probably thinking 17 billion is too much. No, it's not. That's minute. When we're talking about payment solutions, remember guys, the digital payment market was valued at 7.36 trillion in 2021 and is projected to be $15 trillion by 2027. So that's a double in price in the next 2 years. You have to understand, I feel like the economy could have like a recovery rally in terms of a recession ease. Like people kind of feel like the economy is more stable. That's going to bring more money, and they're going to also lower interest rates within these next 2 years. So there's going to be a lot more money pumped into the market in these next 2 years. So coins that have ties with institutions such as XCN, you don't have to worry about them going to zero. That's just my humble opinion. Yeah, they might have a sell-off, which is healthy for any coin. You don't want a coin that's going up in a straight line because that's due to crash quickly. But when you see slowly just climbing or slowly just going down, like, I do feel like these pullbacks are healthy, but I don't feel like the people that are investing into XCN, the majority of them are not really holding this coin to sell at 4 cents. They're not holding this coin to, I feel like a lot of people are holding this coin to sell at $10, $2. Like, people are holding this coin for like at least a 10, 50 and next. A lot of smart investors in this money, a lot of smart money in this coin. That's why I say a 40x, 20 to 40x is very realistic, because the 40x is around a 34 billion market cap, which is still tiny considering the amount of coins that have reached that price with no utility, no ties with other partners that have the same vision. XCN is on its way up and is never going back to the lows we've seen at a fraction of a cent. Okay, like this price action to me, this seems very healthy. Our next support level is at 16 cents, but we do have a spike level here which is 19 cents. So if it dips to 19 cents, we can see a spike. But if it's going to be more bearish for the micro, I won't be surprised if you just tap 16 cents, and I'll buy a lot for that price, because that's strong support. Like, listen, it bounced, it got rejected here, tried to rally again, stabilized. Even this is support. So I feel like there's a lot of bounces that can happen, because you have to remember this is still like a small cap. Like XCN is not, it's not a large cap. Okay, money can easily trickle into this coin and pump it easily. So 100x in a day would not be anything special for XCN to do. Like, if we keep bouncing in this region, sorry for the drawing, but this region here, this is like two respective levels of support and resistance. If we break out, a double or a triple won't surprise me. Now you have to understand that many people right now that are going to be the next generation of millionaires, they're accumulating coins like XCN, payment solution coins, because they realize these are the coins that are most efficient for liquidity. So these are the coins that are going to be used to actually benefit the wealthy in cryptocurrency. Like that's going to attract the wealthy, because people want efficiency, and if they can save money through transactions and scalability, they're always going to choose the most efficient option once full adoption is here. And like, you have to understand, we're still, the market is still very young. It's still a very young market and has a lot of time to really establish itself. And XCN is a coin that is early. It's under $1 billion. I'm bullish on it. I'm accumulating XCN for sure. It's on the ETH network, which makes me excited, because not only is it on the ETH network, it's on a network that people are flooding right now. But if you look at where the liquidity is held, 60% of it is held in mainly Ethereum coins, if the Ethereum network. So I don't really care if people FUD ETH coins, because I know long term investors are attracted to ETH, and once they start piling money into the stock ETF for ETH, and it becomes a commodity where you can earn staking rewards or interest back, it's going to be taken more seriously. We just have to wait for more staking in the ETFs and approvals. So a lot of these ETH coins, including XCN, they're going to take off. That's just the honest that's my honest opinion. Like, a lot of these ETH coins, this is going to be the one that I feel like can take off the most. It could take off and really give you a 20 to 40x. I feel like there's something big on the way, and time is on our side. But if you don't make use of your time, it's not on your side. Time is running out. So with that being said, it was Young Wealth signing out with another one. Catch you guys later. Peace.